Sweet. Oh, good fish.
Gary got a pinky. Okay, come on, bud. Yeah, there he goes. And so I got this cute little thing. What's this? Little kitty. Little Jewy, I reckon, mate.
Yep.
What is he?
Yep.
It's a Jewy
Nice
sea sweet.
Jewy.
Look at that beautiful specimen. Woohoo! $1,000,000. Well, hey, look at that. Now, guy, Gary, your favourite. What do you have for dinner tonight?
Chicken.
He's an idiot. Nice specimen.
Oh, huge. Look at the thread.
So now, if you didn't use the net, that would have been by Charlie. Now, let's go right with you, mate. This thing here.
Get it light.
Look at that. Pretty good, whatever it is. What is that? It's a big gurnard. Keep that one. Frank would love that one.
Shut up and sit down.
That'll be a good start to the day. Woo! Nice day, Mick.
What does it feel like, Ez?
It was beautiful.
Been a long time.
Oh, it's nice and calm out in here.
Look at that. Something I never get sick of. What are we going to get today, mate?
Something nice. Nice scalies, maybe. We'll have a drop anyway, see what's around.
Yep.
Yes, indeed. Lovely day to be on the water.
Yep. Welcome back, guys, to another show. Tell you what, we love making these. So we're heading out. Don't know too sure we're going to go to see what the ocean's doing, because whatever it says on the weather report means absolutely nothing. Oh, something, you know, but so we'll see. We're just happy to be on the water. And look at the sun. Far out. Well, we've been driving for a little while. Woo! I just love it. Harry's getting ready. I'm going to show you something very shortly, which is really exciting. Very cute. It's just awesome. Really awesome. Gary's just getting ready. We've got some rigs made up. We're going to try this little spot and see if we can get a morning Mickey. We'll see. Alright guys, see you in a sec. Ah!
First drop.
Nice.
Yeah,
Look at
mate.
that, eh? Well, we made it to the first spot. But what I wanted to show you is that I got this cute little thing. It's this little kitty electric. So this is for 30 to 120 meters. It's just a light little rod like that. It enables me to like film and drive and catch fish and show Gary how to catch fish. And it's like, you know, when there's no nothing biting, well, then I can just pull it up and it works like an electric reel, but it's just so small. It's a telecom ball. Getting some bites, hang on. Telecom ball, little junior whopper. There you go. And it's an Ocean Legacy rod. I'm just getting some bites. Here we go. All right, well, if I catch anything, I'll let you know. What are you doing, Gary?
Taking water.
You may or may not be going for number one. All right, so arrive at the spot. We'll see where you're going to catch fish.
Spot number 3.
Gary on.
Funny sort of bite. It's like hitting it and running up. Usually that's the bed.
What's wrong with that?
Okay, you saying? Could be sea sweet.
Sweet. Oh, good fish.
Woo!
Well done. Gary got a pinky. Have a look. Hello.
Pretty colour.
Nice.
Bit small.
It is. We better film this because people say, oh, we don't show the, you know, blah, blah, blah. Okay.
You get hit.
Yeah, I know, I'm getting hit. I just dropped it. That's what happens when you're filming, you see, Gary? I'm filming losing fish because of you. See, it's all your fault.
I'll put it over your side. Do you want to put it on your line?
Okay, come on, bud. Yeah, there he goes. And I want it as well. Look at that.
Look at that.
At the same
One
time.
good day deserves another.
Little Jewy, I reckon, mate.
Yep.
What is he?
Yep.
It's a Jewy
Nice
sea sweet.
Jewy, yeah. Woo!
Look at that.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. Oh, we're putting the
Would you like to explain what happened?
little cutie. I was just bringing it in and it just took off. So, got myself a fish. I don't know what it is, but it's decent. I dare say it'd be something to hit it that quick coming up.
Sambo would be taking line, wouldn't it?
Well, maybe it's a little sambo. I don't know. Maybe it's. We don't have a clue, mate. I didn't even get the chance to feel it. All I know is it's been a mate. We got mate. It hit it about 25 metres off the bottom. So, you know what it is, Gary?
Pinky.
25 metres off the bottom. Ah, pinky. Big pinky, look at that. Oh. Look at that beautiful specimen. Woohoo!
All you had to do was move the bait. Is that what you're
Unbelievable. And it was flying. It was flying, the bait, and then he just come up and just smashed it.
saying? Yeah, mate.
Woo! Well, Gary, guess what?
What?
You got some meat. Gary got some to eat.
Nice.
Woo! That's where fishing is unbelievable, mate. Love it. Love it. All right, we're going to go and deal with this fish. I'm going to take a photo. Yes. I'll be getting a net, mate, if I was you. Hey, little mini. Oh.
All species.
Gary!
What are you going to do?
Gary!
You know what? It's not floating either.
Gary! Put it back down, mate. I'll get another one for you. Come on.
I'm still in there and I didn't even get a bite.
Yeah, but you got to have the skill, mate. You got to have the skill. After 30 years, you still haven't learned from me. See, Gary, by watching me, you learn how to catch fish. You see? And that one there woke up a bit. Woke up.
Don't know what it is. I'll be flattered.
Don't know what it is.
Out on the sand.
Yeah, middle of nowhere. What have we got here? Nana guy, no black ass, no black ass. Woo!
On your line.
Oh, Gary, look at that. That's a beautiful colour. Beautiful colour.
Beautiful specimen.
Beautiful fish. Oh, lovely. Lovely fish. Oh, well, I can say it's about time, Gary. That is such a nice fish. Yeah. Nice fillets off that little thing. Beautiful. I mean, big thing. Just look at him, mate. Look at that. Woo! $1 million.
Chunky.
Gary, I'd be happy with that, mate.
Oh no, that was a bit tinny. Fish on the reef, get
Lucky-
nothing.
lucky
Drift
what?
in the middle of nowhere, we catch a fish.
All right, we're going to deal with that and see if we can catch another no man's land. All right. What did you just do?
Oh, he had a nice bite.
I think you had a nice fish
I don't know.
and you lost it.
I don't think he was on properly.
I got mine.
No, you're still around.
Got him?
Fishy's still there.
What's that one? Think it might be a nanny?
I'll be impressed if it is.
What is he? Big nana guy. It is too. Well, hey, in the net. Nana guy, Gary, your favourite. What are you having for dinner tonight?
Chicken?
He's an idiot. Nana guy. Look at that. Nice specimen. Hey?
Not huge, look at the thread.
So now if you didn't use the net, that would have been good by Charlie. I think I'm on. Hey guys.
Yeah, too, mate. That was a
Yeah,
good
mate. Not bad fish. Some meat. So this little reel's going. Beautiful. Thank you, AFW. The guys sponsored me this. Not all of it, you know, but they helped me out, you know. What is it? 20? Is that 20? Well done, Gary. Look at the size of this. Beautiful specimen. Woohoo!
Snapper we got.
Beautiful. Look at that. Hey? Look at this. Get out of the road with you, mate. Oh. This thing here, huh?
Get it right.
Look at that. Yee-hee.
I was going to lift up his tail so you can see the colour.
Look at that. Beautiful
Queen
fish.
snapper. The blue, the yellow.
Nice. Morwong.
Oh,
Blue morwong. Annie, you reckon?
feels a bit like one.
Oh, see what the call is. See what it looks like when it comes up. Burp, boom. See what happens. Good call, Gary. Good call, mate.
Maybe it was.
Good call.
I'll take that.
So I'll get mine in a second. Here we go. There we go. Oh, pretty good, whatever it is. What is it?
Bad colour.
What is it? It's a big gurnard. Keep that one. Yeah, no, keep that one. Frank would love that one. Nana guy.
Maybe.
Gary, Nana guy.
That's what we're aiming for.
Nana guy. Guys, wind's picked up. I've been fishing for, what was it now? I've been fishing for 9 hours. Woo! But enough to bring you a show, so that's what we're going to do. Yeah, we'll see what we get, but I don't think there's going to be more. So, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next show. See you from me, and goodbye from
Charlie Car.
the Gars man. All right, guys, take care.